Every time someone walks in here, they're in awe of the screens. They've never seen anything like it. We are the only sports bar in San Antonio with this screen. Yeah, so. We're at Atlees Ralley here in San Antonio, Texas. So the display we have here is going to be 4 feet 6 inches by 27 feet. We're able to split it up into 3 sections to get a perfect 16:9 ratio. Makes for wonderful watch parties for games, whatever event. We don't use this just for sports. We also show movies, and anytime there's a corporate event, they just send over their logo, and we happily put it up there for them, so there's brand awareness for whoever's throwing the party. As crazy as the idea sounded, everyone from LED Studio heard us out. They came back with positive feedback, solutions to any problem. The entire team from start to finish heard us out and really grasped our vision of what we wanted from end to end of a 28-foot bar, and especially the height that we wanted it without compromising bar space. And once it started going, the installation team is world-class by far. 2 guys got this done in 3 days, pretty much. And if you're looking to elevate your establishment, LED Studios has you covered.